So we're getting more thunder today, rolling over southern England. Third day in a row. More rain. Very strange May weather. May weather, get it? So I've come to the conclusion that our weather is actually a month behind. So if you look at the weather patterns, we normally get this kind of weather in April. And we also had exceedingly cold nights in April, which is typical kind of March weather. Shawnee, how's it going, mate? Glad someone actually gets to see my live video occasionally. Got more thunder here, mate. Third day running we've had thunder and lightning. Southern England. So yeah, I was just saying, I think the weather is a month behind. We had March's weather in April basically, and we're getting April showers in May. That's what it looks like to me. Thunder's not really doing much, but it's just rumbling around. But it's blue sky as well, so it's like April showers. It's sunshine 1 minute and then raining and thunder the next. Oh, you got some thunder on the Isle of Wight, have you? I think you only got some because I posted mine in the Isle of Wight group, and the Isle of Wight group got jealous, so they had to have some as well. It's really warm when the sun comes out, but when it goes in it's like really cool again. Not like May weather, considering it's sunset at about 9 o'clock at night now, and we're almost up to the longest day. So from June it will be getting darker at night again. It hardly even feels like summer yet. See my lovely little garden, look. View out of my bedroom window. So I just wanted to check the live stream was working, because I went live yesterday and no one saw it, which is kind of strange, but at least someone's on today. The storm doesn't seem to be doing much. I think it's gone, where are we? So it's gone up the coast east, I think. Up towards Hastings and Eastbourne and things. It's just out in the garden making a video, and it started raining and thundering and that, so I'll test out my live stream. We'll have to do a call one night, Sean. Just have a catch up for a laugh. Of course, when you want to catch thunder and lightning on video, it never happens, does it? If you go on my YouTube, right? My YouTube channel is called Matt Blythe the One, and you search my videos for close lightning strike. You'll see when I was looking out my window in Sandown, lightning nearly struck my flat. That's quite a good video. Go and check out my channel on YouTube. Well, see what I mean about the weather? It's just blown over in a matter of minutes, and we've got blue sky coming through again. These funny little storm cells, just isolated little storms. It's typical sort of April weather, I reckon. Anyway, I won't keep you all too long if you've got better things to do. Just want to make sure my live stream is working. Right guys, I'll talk to you all again soon. Stay safe and stay dry. Lots of love from Sussex. I'll see you on the upside, Sean.